Hello lovely reception children. Okay, today we have a new sound. It's another digraph, so 2 letters that make one sound. Okay, now when we have 2 eggs together, they make this sound, E. Okay, my turn, then your turn. E, 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 E. Fantastic. Okay, now on the back, there's a picture and it is of 2 friends or maybe 2 brothers, both in a tree, and one of them has got a pair of binoculars, so they're looking and seeing with their eyes. So the phrase we say, what can you see? My turn, then your turn. What can you see? What can you see? Fantastic. Okay, so on this side we say E, E. On this side we say, what can you see? What can you see? Okay, my turn first. I'm going to have a look at them and tell you, when I see this side, I say the sound, this side, I say the phrase. Okay, my turn first. E. What can you see? E. What can you see? Okay, your turn. Ready? Amazing job. Okay, this time I'm going to see if I can trick you. Okay, so I'm going to hide the card. When I put it up again, when you see this side, I want you to say E. When you see this side, the picture, I want you to say the phrase, what can you see? Okay, my turn first. E. What can you see? What can you see? E. Okay, your turn. Ready? Amazing. Keep going. Fantastic. Okay, this time I'm going to put our new sound, E, E, into our pack of sounds that we already know. Okay, this time when you see the sound, I want you to say it, but I want you to point to show me that you found our new sound. Okay, so we'll go E. Okay, fantastic. Okay, my turn first. I'm going to put them in the pack. Say the sounds out loud. Okay, when I see the new sound, E, I'm going to point. Ready? E, F, G, E. Fantastic. I'm going to turn it over. What can you see? E. What can you see? Okay, I'm going to put it back. Okay, your turn now. Pop it in. Okay, are you ready? Remember to point when you see our new sound. All. Where is it? X. It's hiding today. E. E. Amazing. What can you see? E. What can you see? Okay, let's pop it back in again. E. When there's one of them, it's just E. 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 Amazing. E. What can you see? Good job. Let me put it back again. See if we can go a bit quicker this time. I. A. That was our sound from yesterday. Sh. E. What can you see? Amazing. Nk. V. Ch. Well done, keep going, you're doing so well. E. What can you see? Fantastic. Okay, this time we are going to be using our new sound, E. E. What can you see? and we are going to try and read some words with the E sound in. So I have got Fred Dog here, and he's telling me, yes, they know that. So Fred Dog, he can't read the words. He needs you to sound them out first, so you can blend them together and tell them what they are. That's what he needs. So you're going to help him. Okay, so let me get my words today. Okay, fantastic. So we're going to have a go at sounding them out together first. So we're going to do Fred fingers, okay? Then we're going to push our sounds together to say the word, okay? So my turn first, watch me, okay? S, E, C. Your turn? C. Fantastic. Okay, next one, my turn. B, E, N. Bean. Your turn. Bean. Brilliant. Okay, my turn. S, E, N. Scene. Fantastic. Your turn. S. Scene. Good job. My turn. Th, E. 3. Your turn. 3. Brilliant. G, E, N. Green. S, E, P. Sleep. Your turn. Sleep. Fantastic. Okay, this time we're going to do Fred in your head. So you do all of those things that we've done before, but this time you've got to do it in your head. So don't say the sounds out loud. It's just the word this time that Fred Dog needs. Okay, ready? My turn first. C. Your turn. C. Next one. Bean. Ready? Scene. Amazing job. 3 left. 3. 3 left, and 3 was our word. Green. Last one. Sleep. Amazing. You are superstars. Okay, so we have just learnt the sound E. E. What can you see? And you have started to read words with the E sound in. Well done, superstars. Bye, reception. Good work today.